Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Yahoo Finance app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the App Store on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, tap onto the search bar and type Yahoo Finance and then search for it. Now here you can find the Yahoo Finance right here. Now select it. Then tap on to get to download the option, just like this. Now confirm to download it, just like this. Now wait for a few minutes. Now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now to open it, simply tap on to open. Now you can see the app has been opened. You can also find the app on your home screen just like this. And that's it. This is how you can download the Yahoo Finance app on your mobile phone. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.